In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Alaska. Review your LLC records. Check your current LLC documents to ensure all your information is accurate before making any changes. Obtain a change of address form. Get the certificate of amendment or the appropriate form from the Alaskan Division of Corporations or Businesses and Professional Licensing website. Complete the form. Provide your LLC's name, current address, new address and the signature of the member or authorized representative. Prepare a filing fee. Check the Alaskan Division of Corporations website for the current filing fee and be prepared to pay the payment in full, usually by check, mail order or credit card. Submit the form. Send the completed form and payment to the Alaskan Division of Corporations, either online or by mail, or even in person if possible. Confirm the update. Once processed, verify that your LLC's new address is updated in the official state records to keep a copy for your records. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Alaska. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.